Are you looking for the best catalytic converter cleaner in 2023? Top 7 Catalytic Converter Cleaners Review Buying Guide. In this video, we will look at some of the best catalytic converter cleaner in 2023. Top 7 Catalytic Converter Cleaners Review Buying Guide on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. AUTOPROFI Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Finding the right catalytic converter cleaner with the right chemical compound is very important. So, you should go with the option that thousands of buyers already trust. The AUTOPROFI OXiCAT Oxygen Sensor Catalytic Converter Cleaner is our first choice for the best catalytic converter on the market right now. This is a safe and very effective option for gasoline-powered engines as well as diesel vehicles. And even though the solution only specifies oxygen sensor and catalytic converter, it can clean the entire exhaust system. The best part about the AUTOPROFI OXiCAT Catalytic Converter Cleaner is that it automatically starts working as soon as the converter reaches optimal temperature levels. Also, the solution was created in Germany and backed by a lot of professionals. You will also find TÜV certification on the AUTOPROFI OXiCAT Catalytic Converter Cleaner for added reliability and safety. Number 2. Catalytic Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Catalytic is also one of the well-known brands on the market for car accessories and cleaning solutions. Apart from the catalytic converter cleaner, Catalytic also has many different tools and accessory sets that you would want in your car. The second option on our list of the best catalytic converter cleaners is the Catalytic CAT1 Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This is a single bottle of 16 ounces catalytic converter cleaning solution which is perfect for larger applications or simultaneous cleaning of 2 or more vehicles. This is a rather strong solution for a standard catalytic converter cleaner, so the results are definitely much better. But you need to be much more careful while using this solution. Once you use the Catalytic CAT1 Catalytic Converter Cleaner with your engine, Catalytic is promising optimal engine performance, reduction of harmful gases, and also a surety to pass the emission test. This solution also works with the oxygen sensor to maintain the air intake quality. Since this is a strong solution, you won't need to use it as frequently as other choices. Number 3. OXiCAT Catalytic Converter. OXiCAT is one of the few brands that first comes to mind when we are discussing catalytic converter cleaners and other similar products. You will find almost all types of cleaning solutions made by this brand. OXiCAT makes a variety of options for the best cleaning solutions that you would need for automobile maintenance. Therefore, we are putting the OXiCAT Oxygen Sensor Catalytic Converter Cleaner in the third position on our list. This is a great option for multiple applications since the total available quantity with this set is 16.9 ounces. And you get 2 different bottles of about 8.45 ounces each for extended shelf life. Just like our previous pick from OXiCAT, the OXiCAT Catalytic Converter Cleaner is also capable of cleaning out the entire exhaust system and effectively dissolving the carbon buildup. And if you choose to use the solution on a regular basis, it can also prevent future buildup of toxic materials on the catalytic converter and the oxygen sensor. This is one of the highly versatile options on our list, offering compatibility with gasoline, diesel, and hybrid fuel vehicles. Number 4. ClearLover Catalytic Converter Cleaner. If the shelf life of the set is an important factor for you, you should take a look at this set from ClearLover. It will be the best option for bikes or other small fuel tanks for year-round maintenance. The ClearLover Catalytic Converter Cleaner is a great solution on our list, especially if you don't need a catalytic converter cleaner very frequently. This is a set of 3 bottles, each offering about 4 ounces of fluid. So, you can have a very long shelf life and use the fluid only when it is necessary. You can also keep adding a bottle to the set every time you use it for reliable storage. There are a lot of benefits that come with ClearLover Catalytic Converter Cleaner. First of all, this is a multi-purpose cleaning fluid that cleans auto parts, fuel systems, and also works as an additive for gasoline as well as diesel engines. You will also get a refund guarantee from ClearLover if you don't notice any changes in the performance of the engine after using multiple bottles. Apart from the exhaust system, the ClearLover Catalytic Converter Cleaner also cleans oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and other crucial parts. Number 5. MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner. MotorPower is also a brand that will offer you a reliable choice for a catalytic converter cleaner. However, this brand only focuses on offering high-quality cleaning solutions unlike most other car accessory brands. The MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner is yet another trusted option that we have shortlisted for you on our list of the best catalytic converter cleaner. This solution is based on new technology and offers considerably better and more effective results in comparison. However, you will find this option to be a bit more expensive than others. This is a set of 2 units where one is an 8.45 ounce bottle of catalytic converter cleaner and other is a DPF foam cleaner. The combination of the two fluids available in the set can effectively clean the catalytic converter of your car while creating a protective surface to avoid future material buildup. There is no disassembly required to use the MotorPower catalytic converter cleaner. All you'll have to do is pour the solution in the fuel tank, and you are good to go. The MotorPower catalytic converter cleaner set can also be effective against 420 and 430 problem codes. Number 6. Cataclean catalytic converter cleaner. Up next, Mr. Gasket Cataclean. This advanced fuel and exhaust system cleaner is designed to eliminate carbon buildup in your vehicle's catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Independent emissions testing has proven that Cataclean can reduce your total hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%. It's compatible with gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel vehicles, and does not alter fuel composition. Cataclean also helps address common drivability issues such as power reduction, hesitation, rough idle, hard starts, and lost fuel economy, allowing you to enjoy a smoother and more efficient driving experience. Using Cataclean is incredibly easy. Just pour it into your fuel tank. It's 50-state legal, compliant with regulations, and proudly made in the USA. By using Cataclean 4 times a year, you can extend the lifespan of your engine and avoid costly repairs. Upgrade your vehicle's performance and reduce your environmental impact with Mr. Gasket Cataclean. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Number 7. DURA LUBE Catalytic Converter Cleaner. In the end, we are bringing a safe and cheap option: DURA LUBE Fuel System and Engine Performance Booster. This powerful product comes in a 16 fluid ounce bottle and has a universal fit that works on all engines. Its zinc-based formula not only helps increase fuel economy but also reduces the amount of phosphorus and zinc in the catalyst inlet, protects the catalyst, and maintains high performance use before replacing a catalyst converter to get the best results. Don't let a slow engine slow you down. Improve your car's performance with DURA LUBE.